Levi. Levi, do you want that? Come and get it. Look at his face. He's trying to come get it.
Why don't you try just a little closer for the first couple ones?
Levi.
A little close to him, right out of his reach.
Levi.
Yeah, that's probably better.
Come and get it. Come and get it. He's kicking his legs.
Good boy.
He's hitting it.
Good boy.
Good boy. You got it.
Right in your mouth.
And right, go in your mouth.
Okay, pull it back just a little more this way. Just a little. There, that's probably good. Come get it, but yay! Holy cow.
Yeah.
He wants it. Go
He
for
wants
it.
it a lot.
Good job, buddy.
Good.
Now let's let him play with it a minute so he doesn't get sad. He likes to eat it. Hey.
Send it to Dad.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wait. Get a picture of him waving.
Oh, okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh. Okay, he won't do it.
He wants to eat the octopus.
Okay, hang it up.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.